Good morning. You know, my favorite time of the morning. super early before even the sun comes up.
We got up at 5:30 and we're parked in the parking lot of El Chiflón, which is the waterfalls that you can hike to in, I guess, like central Chiapas.
Central Chiapas. But you're really close to Guatemala.
Yes, we're actually very close to Guatemala, and we're only about 2 hours outside of San Cristobal. And we got up super early hoping that we can have this place to ourselves because it's very popular.
We stayed in the parking lot, and there's really only 1-2 other vans that are here, so this should be pretty darn cool because there's like 5 Icelandic blue waterfalls that are here, and they are all pretty darn cool.
Yeah.
And you can go swimming in some of them, if not all of them. But anyway.
So we're gonna hike and warm ourselves up so we can get in the water and go enjoy these beautiful waterfalls all to ourselves. Welcome to our lovely campground, aka the parking lot of El Chiflón. It's not very much to stay here overnight. You pretty much have it to yourself. Ironically, it's one of the more quieter and private campgrounds that we've had in all of Mexico. And as you can see, we're tucked into the bushes. So it's been really nice with the birds and the bugs at night. It's not a ton of mosquitoes, and then we have our own little private pool in the river down here. No amenities, except for you do have access to the bathroom. If you need it, you just gotta hike all the way up to the entrance, but it's not that far.
Let's go. Straight away, this trail is already beautiful.
I know, we're like 2 feet in and I'm already like grinning ear to ear. And there's no one here.
Yeah, there's no one here. That's definitely a great thing to get here early in the morning.
Yeah.
We've got waterfall number 2.
They're just getting more beautiful.
This hike is going to be really, it's going to be an awesome hike.
I know, you can swim in all of these. I can't wait.
Yeah.
What you think?
This is beautiful. This is really cool. Okay, waterfall number 4.
I think it's 5. This is a double waterfall, it looks like.
No, I think is this the end?
Yeah, this is the end, baby.
Ah! I thought there was more.
Jake's so juiced for more waterfalls.
I thought there was one more.
The last one is 2, but luckily this is not the only waterfall in all of Chiapas, and apparently it's not even the prettiest, so I can't even imagine what the other ones look like.
Yeah, this place is insane. It's like a river of Icelandic blue water.
Yeah.
Again, except for it's cold. It's not as warm as Grudasco and Congo.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. I'm sure it's even more beautiful when the sun hits it. We're here a little early in the day, but we're gonna go swimming and see what it looks like once it brightens up a little bit.
The water is cold, but it feels amazing. It actually calcifies around the roots of all these trees, and then it's like really easy access to get in. This is a really great swimming experience. Just all around, it's a fucking great experience.
It's great. Top notch, top shelf.
Top shelf. This is great nature.
10 out of 10. Made it in. It is chilly.
It's cold. Definitely bring a towel. But it actually is very refreshing. After doing, it wasn't that high up here, like that much of a hike up here, but it's great.
Yeah, on a warm day, this is perfect. All right, we started our hike around 7, and then now it's about 9 a.m. and everybody's just starting to get here.
Yeah, we timed it perfectly. I would suggest getting here around 7 o'clock, 6:30 at the earliest, and do the hike, jump into some of those pools. This is amazing.
Yeah, and there's barbecue pits and tables. You can spend hours here if you want. It looks like it's about to be a party up in this.
Yeah. Well, that was fun. Now, let's head off to the lakes. Time to go.
Whoa! Watch out.